All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Got to go live here a little bit early. It's the busy morning, getting the kiddo off to school and everything like that. But I do want to do this market analysis before I get out of here today. And so for those who are new or coming on here, if you want to just say hello, let me know who you are and where you're tuning in from. And if you want market analysis like this right to your inbox or push to your smartphone, follow me on Facebook or x.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. So for those who are new, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin this morning. And if you're a newbie to the crypto markets, you probably don't understand yet that Bitcoin is a big bully, right? Bitcoin beats up these altcoins. Whatever Bitcoin does, the altcoins do in spades. The other day, Bitcoin went down, 8-9%, and some of the altcoins imploded, 40%, 30% in a hurry. Okay, so we got to keep a close eye on Bitcoin and what's going to potentially happen with Bitcoin so that we can know when there could be a bigger move on the altcoins or something else more dramatic happening. So with all of that said, we're going to take a look at a chart this morning, and I want to just point this out for members who are in iCoinPro, where they can learn about this chart setup. This chart is called the MA momentum. It stands for moving average momentum. If you are a member of iCoinPro, you click on my iCoinPro training and go to Micro Profit System Part 3. And you'll find it here, MA Momentum. It's literally about a 40-minute training. It'll teach you how to use this chart setup. So you can do that there, okay? Now, I'm going to go into our trading portal. This is our custom software that we developed. It's nobody else has this, and it's to trade our strategy. It makes our life super awesome. Hey, good morning there, Troy. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so I want to get into the MA momentum chart. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit, make this easier to see. Hold on 1 second here. Refresh that. With the portal, you want to click here and then go to load chart layout, and you can click on MA momentum to get this chart set up. Now, let's take a look at what we've got going on here. I'm going to explain a couple things for the new people. These red and green things are called candles. They show the price action over a period of time. In this case, we're looking at a 1-day chart. So every one of these candles represents an entire day's worth of trading. What a day of trading it was yesterday, or I'm sorry, 2 days ago. Anyways, just craziness. The market dumping and pumping. All really pretty quickly. Okay, so that was a crazy day, great day, very profitable for us, but other traders, it can be, it's pretty tough when you're holding. The other lines that you see on here, this purple, maroon, yellow, green, etc., these are all called moving averages. They're just an indicator of how they're calculated. We're not even going to get into. We'll talk about how to use it. This area that's shaded here that looks like a bubble, and then it's going along here, that's called a Bollinger Band, another indicator that we use on this chart. Now, when everything is trading above all of these moving averages, in particular, when everything starts trading above this light purple line, that means that we're potentially in a bull market or bullish market, and almost definitely not in a bear market, and we're potentially building up bullish momentum. On the flip side, when everything gets stuck below all of these moving averages, and in particular stuck below that light purple one, then we're building up bearish momentum and potentially in a bear market, and almost definitely not in a bull market. And it takes a while. Now, a news event can change anything, but it can take a while to process out the fear in the sellers before the price can rise again. So right now, where are we? Well, we're watching what could be a head and shoulders formation. So think of it this way. This is a shoulder, this is the head, and then if it plays out, we'll make another shoulder. And they consider this in traditional trading a bearish pattern, which means they would expect it to break down and reverse the trend, right, that we've had going. if it plays out that way. Will it play out that way? No clue. Okay. I don't predict these markets. I just react to them. We have some, ideas, but this purple line is what we consider a neckline. The neckline is where, and it's sitting about, we're going to say around 90, 91, right in that area. This is like the key level to stay above that's going to continue to create this structure here, right, on Bitcoin. So this was a major test of that. The market went down and then was here to gobble it right back up. We got back up over 100K, but then we've lost 100K. So what all do we have going on here? Right now, the key resistance areas, obviously the top side is 110, okay? We got to reclaim and stay above 100,000 in order for, the bullish scenario to continue. We definitely need to stay above 90,000 or else we could enter into a period of trend reversal or, the market's starting to move down, even potentially a bear market cycle, okay, if that occurs. So, we really need to see what the market wants to do from here. The key thing right now is we got to get above 100K and stay above it and keep trading above it. Now, if we're going to be doing this pattern, we may need to go down and grind along here at this little bit before we can get some impulse to go back up. And we might go down. If we put pressure on this again, we could see the altcoins react pretty dramatically again. So we're just going to have to keep an eye on it. There's 100K on the upside, 95 is a resistance area. If we lose that, then it's 90. Okay, those are kind of the areas that we need to look at right now. And we're just going to see if we get this pattern to play out. If we get a quick exit from this pattern, either up, we spontaneously bust through 110, that can get the market very excited and the buyers excited. When a pattern that's forming gets invalidated and the market moves out of it quickly, oh man, people can get excited. Same thing on the negative side. If we rapidly lose 90K and we don't even finish the shoulder, that would be really not awesome. And we could see some serious selling occur potentially there. Everything's potential until it happens. So that's where we're at. 90K is so important right now. Okay. 100K is so important right now. So we'll just have to see what the market wants to do from here. All right, let's look at longs and shorts. Again, the longs got super high and we got that dump. Longs are people betting Bitcoin's going up. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down. Usually these are done with leverage, which means that they're borrowing money to exaggerate their gains and losses. And when that happens, they can get liquidated pretty quickly. If you ever heard of somebody getting liquidated in trading, it's because they were playing with leverage or they were doing options or something like that. Right now, we're not concerned about these till they go over 70%. So it's kind of business as usual trading right now. All right. Let's see what looks like it's good to trade. We're going to use our Buddy Coin crawler software, and we're going to sort through, what's the ones that have the best potential profit on dip trades. SPA is actually maintaining good volume. Good return, pretty good noisiness. We're back at the high, the high again. So yeah, I mean, not terrible. It's moving. Hold on one second. It's moving, a little lower-ish volume, but yeah, not terrible. So VVV is one that I've been having. I just traded it again this morning. VVV is one I've been enjoying trading because it was in just an eternal downtrend. Now it's gotten some upward movement, but whether or not it's going to continue that upward movement or it's just going to continue its downtrend, we'll see. But either way, I'm liking VVV right now for trading. And then let me see about ACH. What are we looking at on return? ACH is net. Let's see what SwiftCoin did. I'm going through and I'm just measuring returns. Yeah, 9% return there. So probably going to keep Swift coin up there. Let's see about Toshi. Toshi's had pretty high volume. Maintain that. Yeah, it's good. Again, we're going to have to let the market, move, and then, we'll make our decisions on what we'll trade. The software, I'll have to track it. Okay. The spread tracker. This software tracks all the coins. We're like the all-seeing eye of crypto. So we know when things start dipping, when things start blowing up, and when things start dumping. These trackers do all that for us, so we don't have to sit in front of our computers all day. It just gets pushed to our smartphone. So today, for me, probably Swift coin, VVV, and SPA. That's going to be the three I'm going to be looking at closely. But then if the software finds something else, XCN's been great. Toshi's good. If it finds something else, Trump might be a good one. That's gotten pretty darn low. Let's see what we just did here on this little bounce. Yeah, not the best. This was kind of lame. So that, I don't know. But definitely VVV, or I'm going to say Swift coin first, VVV, and then SPA are going to be the coins that I'm going to be watching to trade. Not invest in. I'm not giving you investment advice. We trade them with our system. All right. So that's it, everybody. That's all I've got. If you want market analysis like this right to your inbox on the daily, pretty much follow me on Facebook or x.com, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how to trade, get back with the person who introduced you to iCoinPro or shared this video with you. They can get you a free boot camp that'll take you about 40 minutes. And it will, you'll be amazed at what you can learn in 40 minutes here with the trading. And if you're not sure who introduced you, or you don't have a specific referrer, you found this on the interwebs, just shoot an email to support@iCoinPro.com, and they can get you that free boot camp. All right, everybody, take care. Have a great day. Let's see what happens today.